Make money with PLR ebooks. If you want to learn how to do that, stick around to the end. Alright, let's jump straight into it. How to make money with PLR ebooks. Do you have a knack for writing but don't have the time or energy to write from scratch? Have you heard of private label rights, or PLR for short, ebooks, but aren't sure what they are or how to use them? PLR stands for private label rights. When you purchase PLR content, you're given a license that enables you to create your own ebooks from pre-written content without having to start from scratch. If you're wanting to learn more about this, then stick around to the end. We'll show you how to make money with PLR ebooks so you can start earning income without having to create content from scratch. Understand PLR ebooks. Private label rights, or PLR ebooks, offer an opportunity to make money online through reselling pre-written content. After an author writes an ebook and puts it up for sale on a PLR website, buyers can purchase the ebook and resell it for their own profit. Additionally, PLR can be used to create digital products and printables to passively earn income. Furthermore, PLR content can be utilized to build a list of subscribers and monetize the list with relevant products. Selling digital products as PLR ebooks is a great way to earn money online without a list of subscribers or a website or blog. The potential for earning money with PLR ebooks is limitless, as long as the content is of high quality and in demand. Creating several chapters from multiple PLR ebooks may take only an hour and does not require using all of the chapters from each ebook. PLR ebooks come with private label right licenses, making them editable and allowing buyers to customize them according to their own needs. Know the benefits. Making money from PLR private label right ebooks is a great way to generate passive income. It's an easy way to get started selling digital products online, as it requires minimal effort and investment. All you need to do is find the best PLR source, buy quality ebooks, rebrand them, and then add yourself as the author. You can also use PLR content to create other digital products to sell. Furthermore, you can use PLR ebooks as a bonus for your affiliate sales, which is the most common way of using them. Research-related niches. Researching and brainstorming for the right niche can be a tedious task for marketers. PLR, or private label right products, can make the process much faster and easier. PLR ebooks provide a reliable way for researching potential niches and making money from them. With these products, you can save time and energy by leveraging another creator's work. You can edit and resell PLR packs by using backlinks on your blog or website, or promote the product through social media and other marketing channels. With the right niche and proper strategies, you can maximize the profits and make money with PLR ebooks. Identify your target audience. Identifying your target audience is an essential step to make money with PLR ebooks. By understanding who your potential customers are, you can create content that appeals to them and promote it to the right people. It's also important to understand how to edit and market the ebook. It's important to also know the fundamentals of target marketing so that you reach the right audience looking for your content. Doing so will help you reach more of your target audience and increase conversions. Furthermore, it's important to learn how to use various digital channels effectively, such as email campaigns, social media, and online advertising. Using these channels will help you reach even more potential customers and ultimately generate more revenue. Design your ebook cover. Creating an eye-catching ebook cover is an essential part of marketing your ebook online. It is important to design the cover so that it reflects the content of the book and its purpose. This will help attract potential buyers and make them more likely to purchase the book. When selling edited PLR ebooks, it is important to make sure to to customize the cover, design, and content to ensure that it's unique to you. You can also create a sales funnel or bundle several shorter products into a comprehensive package to increase your profits. Write an engaging introduction. One of the biggest benefits when selling PLR ebooks is that you can keep 100% of the profits. With PLR ebooks, you can edit and rename them, give them away as bonuses, or sell them directly. If you're an experienced writer, you can learn how to make money fast by rewriting the PLR ebook. You can also use them to generate passive income with an online business. You can find new content in over 400 niche topics with rebrandable PLR ebooks and courses. Because you don't have to create the product yourself, you can focus on marketing and selling them. Create quality content. Creating quality content is essential for anyone wanting to make money with PLR ebooks. A great way to do this is by using PLR content as a tool to build your lists and create online courses. PLR content can be edited and rebranded so you can make it your own and produce content that is both unique and attractive to your readers. You can also create content for blogs, websites, or other online ventures, which can help generate more income. With the right strategy, PLR ebooks can be a great source of income and a great way to make money online. Include appropriate examples and images. You can further increase the value of your PLR ebook by adding appropriate images. If you can, it's advisable to add your own examples and stories to personalize the content. Build packages to increase value. Making money with PLR ebooks is a great way to earn income without spending countless hours researching and writing content. With PLR ebooks, you can even create new content from articles that are already written. This allows you to quickly and easily create a digital product that you can then sell as your own. One of the best ways to make money with PLR ebooks is to customize the content with your own ideas and then add affiliate links to it. You can then submit it to article directories or even post it on your own website or blog for readers to purchase. You can also create an ebook package from multiple PLR ebooks, allowing you to offer more value to your audience. By doing this, you can increase your chances of making more money from the sale of your digital product. Formatting and editing the content. Formatting and editing the content of PLR ebooks is a great way to make money with private label rights. With permission from the PLR license, you can edit and change the content. You can create custom graphic elements, break apart an ebook into smaller posts, or combine multiple products into one. This allows for more customization and personalization of the content, making it easier to stand out from other similar products. Additionally, changing the format can also help to make the PLR more unique and evergreen, which will help in long-term profits. With the combination of time-saving and cost-saving benefits, PLR is a great tool for entrepreneurs looking to maximize their profits. Add a call to action. With PLR packages, you can create an ebook by combining multiple products by editing and modifying them to fit your brand. You can also use PLR ebooks to build your list of subscribers or even create a blog site and earn from blogging. Also, crafting the perfect call to action can help you convert readers into loyal customers. If you already have a website or a blog with a good readership, this should be your first port of call to start making money. With some guidance and dedication, you can generate passive income in 2022 to 2023 by creating, publishing, and selling ebooks. Set a reasonable price. Setting a reasonable price for your PLR ebooks is essential to making money online. It is important to check out the quality of the content as well as the price of the PLR package before committing to it. Consider the value that an ebook can bring to its reader when setting a price point. If an ebook provides real value to its reader, The price should reflect this. Furthermore, if the reader has access to a website or blog with a good readership, this can be a great platform for selling PLR ebooks as well. Upload to popular platforms. You can purchase multiple PLR ebooks in bulk at a discounted price. Then, after editing them, upload them to popular platforms like ClickBank and other affiliate sites. This will allow you to make an income from your ebook sales and also benefit from additional revenue generated from the affiliate program. Additionally, you can use PLR content to create a physical book quickly without having to write all the content yourself. With the right marketing strategies, you can make a full-time income from your PLR ebooks. Promote your PLR ebooks. You can use the content to create an online course, audio, video products, or even sell it on your own website or blog. You can also use social media to promote your PLR ebooks, such as by creating content snippets and using relevant hashtags to further reach your target audience. You can also create YouTube videos using PLR content, and when you reach the criteria, you can then profit from the YouTube Partnership Program. With the right approach, you can easily make a profit from PLR products. Leveraging social media marketing strategies. Leveraging social media marketing strategies is a great way to promote your PLR ebooks. By leveraging other people's efforts and resources, you can take advantage of the power of social media to make your business go viral. Learning how to make money with PLR ebooks can be quite lucrative. With the right strategies, you can repurpose content to leverage social media and create sales funnels with master resale rights. You can also use email marketing with your PLR to reach more customers. There are modern social media marketing strategies that can help you boost your profits and make money by offering online coaching. All these strategies can help you make more money with PLR ebooks. Conclusion. With PLR ebooks, anyone can make money online quickly and easily. PLR stands for private label rights, which means that the content is already written and ready to be used. You can use these ebooks to create blog posts, articles, or even membership sites. You can also resell the ebooks on sites like ClickBank, 𝗕𝗏𝗁, or other sites with affiliate programs. With the right knowledge and the right product, you can make a lot of money from selling PLR ebooks. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Right, now, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.